let's prepare to enter the silence, the space in our heart where the divine mind, divine spirit connects. If you'll breathe in, breathe out. Allow your eyes to close. Get comfortable. Take another deep breath. Breathe out. The silence that we enter inside our heart, inside our mind, that silence is full of grace. Sometimes, in my experience of life, I need more. I'm troubled by things I see, troubled by things I experience. And so what do? I go inward, into the heart of grace. Anytime you're concerned, anytime you're fearful, anytime you feel alone, you can take a moment, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and enter that silence. What a beautiful, beautiful experience of grace. Sometimes in that silence, I feel it like raindrops, little drops of grace falling on my head. Little drops of grace falling on my hands. Little drops of grace falling as I lift my face. Grace sprinkles down upon us from the heart of the divine to the heart in you that is divine. And as we sit for a few moments together in the silence, feel that grace permeate this space and fill your heart. And as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, realize that grace is not earned. It is your divine gift. Through divine grace, we are abundantly blessed at all times, in all ways, through every walk of our life. And so it is.